Our son was, he had a really big heart, and he loved people.
Terry Treesice's 18-year-old son Tyler died unexpectedly last January, a blow to his entire family. About a month and a half later, Treesice got another shock. When she tried to file her tax returns electronically, the IRS told her someone had already claimed her son as a dependent.
It freshened his death, and we were really stunned that somebody would do that.
Whoever falsely claimed Tyler likely got his information from the Social Security Administration's Death Master File, an online site updated weekly and available to the public that lists the names and Social Security numbers of people who've died. Ironically, it was set up to prevent fraud.
They said I could not find out who had claimed him, and that I would have to file by paper.
Which Treesice did, and within a few weeks, she got her refund. The IRS released this statement. The IRS investigates these situations, aggressively pursues the scam artists, and in many cases, works with the Department of Justice to criminally prosecute cases. Meantime, Treesice visited an online support group for families who've lost children and found out she's not alone.
I was totally appalled that there were so many people who were being victimized.
The IRS told Scripps Howard News Service, which is owned by ABC 15's parent company, during the last tax season, tax filers improperly submitted 350,000 returns on dead Americans. They wouldn't say how many of those included children, but Scripps Howard was able to identify about 28 affected families across the U.S.
And there's no way to prepare your heart for when that happens.
Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do to protect yourself. It will literally take an act of Congress to allow the Social Security Administration to remove those Social Security numbers from its Death Master File. The Social Security Administration issued this statement. The information that is released via the public Death Master File is the information that must be disclosed under the Freedom of Information Act. Congress would need to amend FOIA laws in order for us to limit the amount of information that we are obligated to make public under the law. At this time, no word on if that will happen, but Treesice says she hopes someone will take action.
To talk about Tyler is good for our hearts. You know, he was a big part of our life, and we miss him.
In Apache Junction, Rebecca Thomas, ABC 15 News.